must have seen has been very active in the past,
Menteri rangba ka Jylla
and a
Conrad
lot of
ki
arrests have
sangma
been
haka
made.
arpulai
A lot
trigliber.
of
Ulaong baka sorkar
different kind of
kan shim ya kila jing penshitom ki bating
threats that were there
persha ya kinu kinu ki ba
being
pershang ban
neutralized,
penthut ya ka
and
shong suk shong
police is
san
working
ha ka
overtime
Jylla.
to ensure that
Hadin bala khot
all the
penlong
people
ya
who
ka
are involved
jingalang bishar kam
in
halor ka
these kind
jinglong
of
jingman ha ka
activities
Jylla.
of disturbing
Usangma
the peace
ulaong.
and law and order in
Ngin
the
shim ya
state,
baro kisin jam,
strong
bat kat
action
ba ngadang
will be
keren
taken
syaphi
against them.
menta, ngila penlong
Therefore,
ru ya ka jingalang
we
halor
will
ki kam
not
shong shngan,
leave
haringkat usimbut menteri rangba,
anything
u DGP bat
chance.
u chief secretary
And
hakaba
even
ngila ya
before, in
kren,
fact, speaking to
halor
you
ki
now, we
jinglong
had a
jingman ba pher,
security meeting
bat ngila long
on
ki
the
bala pen
Chief
kre,
Minister,
kata la kalong
and
kumnu
in
ru,
charge one,
kinu ki badan
DGP,
benta
Chief
hakaba
Secretary,
pershang,
and
ban
Secretary.
penthut ya ka suk
We were
kasan,
all in the
ngin
room, and we
shim
were
ya
discussing
kilat
about
jing
the different
penshitom ki
situations.
bating
And so we are very
La
much,
ban kedo bakasing Henyo
obviously,
Trap National
on
Liberation Council
the job
HNLC
and
hakasing
ensuring
thok
that
dieng balala.
whatever the case may be,
Kalapan mi kajing
everybody's
berten persya
involved or
ya
trying to
uhe
disrupt the
pulit.
peace. We will
Ya
take
uba
necessary
kila
action.
kam bakila itu kum uwe na
And so,
kibadon kti.
must have
Halwar
seen
kajing
has
yap
been
jong
very
General
active in
Secretary
the
Barim
past,
jong kanikaseng.
and
Uba
a lot
cherish
of
the feel
arrests have been
thank
made.
you.
A
Ha
lot of
bakali usang ma ulaong baki
different
bor
kind of
pulit kila long kiba
uh,
husiar bat pitngor nadu
threats that were
kini
there
kindiat por
that have
kibaladam.
been
Ha
neutralized,
kaba kila yo ru ban
and
kam ye
police is
bon ngut
working
kibriyo.
overtime
Bat ban tek
to
lakam bat
ensure that
penjam knap
all
ru.
the people
Ya
who are involved
kiwe pat kikam pensyong
in these
seir.
kind of
Syu
activities
UCM
of
ulaong ru baki
disturbing the
bor
peace
pulit
and law and order
kila
in the
kam tri
state,
syutom syu kenang ban penti
strong
kena.
action will be
Babaro
taken
kibriyo
against them.
kibadan kti ha
So
kibakum
therefore,
kini kikam
we
bamman.
will
Ban
not
pentut ya ka syong suk
leave
syong shengan ha ka Jylla kin
anything
ngat ha
to
ka jing sya
chance.
pen shitom.
And the police, as you must have seen, has been very active in the past, and a lot of arrests have been made. A lot of different kind of uh, threats that were there have been neutralized, and police is working overtime to ensure that all the people who are involved in these kind of activities of disturbing the peace and law and order in the state, strong action will be taken against them. So therefore, we will not leave anything to chance. And even before, in fact, speaking to you now, we had a security meeting, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, and in charge home, DGP, Chief Secretary, and Secretary Home. We were all in the room and we were discussing about the different situations. And so we are very much obviously on the job, and we're ensuring that whatever the case may be, everybody is involved or trying to disrupt the peace, we will take necessary action against them.